Dear Ministers, it's a great honor for me to deliver this message on the occasion of the 20th anniversary of ASEAN plus Japan Energy Corporation. Due to its strong economic growth, energy demand in ASEAN will substantially grow. This will pose daunting energy and climate challenges in coming decades. In this regard, ASEAN plus Japan Corporation, with particular focus on energy efficiency, is extremely relevant. This provides indispensable inputs to ERIA's energy outlook. Energy efficiency is the first fuel contributing to energy security, environmental protection, and economic efficiency. We hope further progress of ASEAN plus Japan Corporation. Thank you very much.